All right, it's time for another update of our flip. So since last time, we got the floors redone. They're a little filthy right now, obviously. We also got all the handles put in on the cabinets in the kitchen. Here's a close-up of the new countertops. So the kitchen is done. We just have to put a kitchen faucet in, which we have that all picked out and everything. Again, not many changes in this room. The hardwood floor got refinished in here as well. We got the closet doors put back on. Upstairs is almost done. The bedrooms are almost done minus carpet. They look amazing. We got all of this painted and touched up. So the bathroom is basically done. We went with a nice charcoal gray for the vanity. Still missing some mirrors, but we got the faucets put in. We got the light fixed. And then we hung up a shower curtain rod for the next owners. In the bedroom, again, not many changes. We got that window fixed, so look at that view. Master bedroom, again, we got the windows replaced. He's gonna come back and fix this window on the right because it's just a little foggy still. All we need is carpet and we are done in here. So we got the vanity fixed and painted. We got a new toilet installed. We got the new flooring. They decided to put a window in here and it looks so much nicer and bigger in this bathroom. So we're still just missing a mirror. But other than that, the master bathroom is done. We got the shower fixtures installed. Looks so much nicer. Got the glass doors put in this weekend. So we might be in the buttoning up phase, but the basement definitely added some work for us. So the guys started painting the walls, and I'm not sure what kind of paneling they had on them or what, but it looked like it was raining paint in here. It was crazy. So they just decided that we're gonna drywall over everything, took all the paneling off, and they're hanging new drywall. So then we can just go back through and spray it before we put the flooring in. So there you have it. That is the most recent update of our flip. It'll be coming to the market soon. I can't wait.